Good morning, campers. Welcome back to another portion of the Daily Meat. It is Sunday, the 12th of July, 2026. Yep, end of the week. And yesterday, when we was driving back from our little day out to Hunstanton, I noticed the Meat Wagon was making a bit of a funky noise. Not in a good way. The weather is sunny today, 23 degrees, but windy. I did go to record out there, but it's too windies. But what I did notice yesterday was at a certain rev range, around about 2,000 revs, I'm getting a vibrating sound coming from the engine. I had a quick look last night and it sounds like it's coming from the diesel pump area. Like something's come loose or the belt's rattling against the casing. Not sure at all. So I'm going to investigate a little further this morning. I have to get the front of the Meat Wagon into service mode, pull it all out so I'll get better access. I need to take that timing belt cover back off again. I'm hoping something's just come loose inside and that there's not a more pressing issue which may have led to the belt stripping out in the first place. That won't be good. That won't be good at all. Oh, wind's died off a bit, so got to work fast. Yeah, so it's coming from down yonder, down there somewhere. I'll put you on a tripod and I'll see if I can get the noise to show up. So hopefully that showed up on camera. It comes up around 1200 revs. Just a vibration noise. I had a look last night when Mrs. Meat was here and it's definitely coming from that section there. So we need to get it back into service mode, get this grill off, pull that whole bit out so we've got a better access. I just need to take that cover off, but I want to be able to see a little bit better down there. It's actually looking a bit oily down there again. So I need to undo 13 mil there. There's one. Where's the other one? It's at the top, just there. Right, let's get that cover off. Well, it looks like the leaking valve cover gasket theory's just gone out the window. That is absolutely saturated again. It's coming from appears to be coming from the top end, possibly. So it looks like an oily mess again down there. Oh dear. Yep, we got a problem. I've just started the engine up, it's still making that vibrating noise, so it won't like the cover or something. Yeah, I think I'm going to have to give my mechanic a visit again today, because that is a bit of an issue. There is something a little bit more involved than just the belt stripping out, I think. I just spoke to my mechanic and he says it could be the camshaft seal that's leaking, and with that new belt, because it's nice and tight and taut now, could be that causing the vibration if the seal's a bit iffy. Don't know, but he's going to pop round tomorrow after work, which is Monday evening, and have a closer inspection. But unfortunately, it looks like the Meat Wagon once again is off the road, temporarily, hopefully. I just hope the vibrating noise ain't something a little bit more sinister. Or it looks like engine oil, so it's not. I don't think it's anything to do with the diesel pump. I don't know if they're oil driven or what around the pulley, but yeah, looking at the cover, that's the top of the cover, that's the bottom of the cover. It seems to be worse at the top. So yeah, it could have been that cam seal leaking all along, and the new tighter belt may have caused a bit more of an issue, because it was running fine for a few days, but you know, clearly there's more going on under the cover. Now today is fine because Mrs. Meat's home, and we've got the Vitara, but tomorrow Mrs. Meat goes back to work and the Audi TT is still at the garage, so that could be problematic. So I think our first port of call tomorrow morning is to go down the garage and see what's going on with the Audi, because I'm going to need it. And I was also planning a road trip from next week, so that's going to have to go on hold once again. But you know, this is real van life. We document it. We don't sugarcoat things on the Daily Meat. If there's issues with the Meat Wagon, which in 2026 has been a fair few, we show you it, warts and all, on here. Real van life, laid out before our very eyes, campers. Oh yeah. Plus note, at least we got the campsite up there, and maybe this week we'll use the tent for a little camping expedition. Anyway, such is life. Not a lot you can do about it. You just have to see what happens tomorrow evening. Well, campers, we are back out on the open road, 4x4 in. So once again, we are the best, sometimes daily 4x4 in channel in the whole of YouTube. The Meat Wagon is a little poorly, Mrs. Meat.
I know.
Still not been, issues not been resolved as of yet. So to lift our spirits, to lighten the mood, we are heading to Morrison's in Spalding, because they sell cream cakes and we like them a lot. I was just about to wave at a transporter then, but then realised we are the best daily, sometimes 4x4 in channel on the whole of YouTube. We've added dogging goodness, but not yet, because Bruno hasn't made an appearance yet. But he will do, he will do. Ooh, it's quite spicy as well. What is it, 23 degrees?
We've got aircon in this.
We've got aircon, but it's not turned on. We're just driving with the windows open, because I'm used to driving the Meat Wagon going au natural. Wow, don't move. Like car just on my side of the road there. He's clearly amazed by the 4x4 in that was happening before his very eyes, wasn't he, Mrs. Meat?
Yeah.
Sometimes we do this daily. But I'm not allowed this tomorrow, am I? Because you need it for work.
My Audi's not here, so I can't get to work otherwise.
No. I can technically drive the T4. It's not completely off the road, but I'd rather not, like, push my luck until it gets looked at tomorrow evening. Until then, we're going to enjoy a spot of 4x4 in. We got a bluish sky, a bit of a milky haze going on there, Mrs. Meat. A little bit milky, a bit misty. But cakes are in, yeah, straight ahead, that direction. So we're doing a live bit of 4x4 in on the A17, heading to Spalding. Quite busy today. There's nobody cutting me up at the last minute, but there's a bit of traffic ahead. A couple of campers, you see. One with a seafaring vessel on the roof. We're doing a steady 40. We're in no rush, are we? We're in no rush. Actually, we're slowing down to under 40 now. Check that out. Bluesmobile spec. Nice. Bit of America right there. Oh yeah. Oh, we had them hot dogs last night, didn't we? Them, what were they? Chili honey hot dogs.
No, hot honey, big
Hot
dogs.
honey big dogs. They were good. They were very nice. From Lidl. Very nice indeed. We've arrived in Morrison's in Spalding on this fun and exciting 4x4 in day. Lost my spaces though, not an happy camper. Happy. Parked in the shade. Anyway, cakes I believe are this way. Well, campers, we've completed our shopping trip. Got a bit of cake. moved the Vitara, so we're in a more favourable corner spot. A bit of lunch. Just in a quick juice. Got an iced coffee. Arctic coffee, caramel latte, rich and creamy. Bit like Emma.
No.
Bit like Mrs. Meat. Like Mrs. Meat. Ice cold. Dripping wet, just the way we like it on the Daily Meat campers. Salute.
Cheers.
Chin chin.
Down the edge.
Down the orifice. Well, that's rich and creamy, isn't it?
It is.
And Arctic cold. But yeah, I got a bit of a pie deal for lunch, limited edition. It's the chicken balti football pie, 2-pack shakur. So we're gonna
After last night's win.
yeah, after the win in soccer. Look at that fine pair of campers. Quite round, didn't they?
They are.
Shaped like a soccer ball.
Oh yeah, they have got the
Yeah.
pattern on it.
Yep, like a retro football. Anyway, if they're no good, we can use them as frisbees. We can play a bit of frisbee. They're quite hard. Anyway, good elf campers. Quite a spicy little number.
Yeah, you can
Nice.
smell the curry.
Yeah. I
They
think there's a
smell
bit
nice.
of there's a bit of spinach in there. Actually, really spicy. There's bits of chicken content. The meat in there, campers. That'd be quite nice with like a bottle of strap on in my hand.
Yeah.
All right, actually, not too bad. I've got a feeling I may be getting a bit of heartburn for the rest of the afternoon, but all right. What did Mrs. Meat get for her lunchtime selection?
I got cake.
We got cake. We got pie.
Yeah. Traditional-ish Cornish pasty.
Oh, okay. Gone for the classic, not made in Cornwall,
Not made
Cornish
in Cornwall.
pasty.
Well, we
Nice.
don't know that. They may have made it in Cornwall and then delivered it to Spalding.
Highly unlikely, but we'll go with that. And then to complement the Balti pie, gone for a raspberry ripple. We've had these before on the channel. They're good. We know what they're like. Very nice bit of cake campers, and they're still only a £1. Bargain. Good elf, Miss. You got one of these as well, haven't you?
Yeah.
Cheers, campers. Oh, that smells good. So after a hard day 4x4ing, nothing beats a Balti pie shaped like a football and a bit of raspberry ripple cake. Yeah, nice. It's good. It's good, isn't it? I think our picnic was a success, wasn't it, Mrs. Meat?
Yeah?
That was good. Have you had your cake?
No.
Have you had your cake? Mrs. Meat hasn't had the raspberry ripple cake yet.
No, I'm going to eat mine at home with a cup of tea. I'm going to go very English and
Interesting.
have a cup of tea and a cake.
Whereas I had a cup of tea before I come out, so they're in there somewhere. But anyway, we're going to head back to the homestead after our little 4x4 in picnic. It was very nice. Very nice. We're not thinking about T4 today, the Meat Wagon. We'll just worry about that tomorrow. Anyway, we're gonna get moving. Oh, campers, it's 8 PM, another summer's evening. Lovely jubbly, look at that sun. So I spent most of the afternoon just chilling out. Been a little tired today. Not a lot we could do because we never had the Meat Wagon. Just been doing a bit of gardening, been cutting some grass. I'm trying to stay cool. It has been quite warm today. But I was charging up the Vitara power station. It's in the shade now, so may as well pack this away. So I think I set this up about 3 o'clock, so it's been out for a good 5 hours. It was completely flat, so I managed to get a good 30% charge in it. And if the weather's good tomorrow, we have a nice blue sky, I'll get it back out again and give it a good charge. So what I'm thinking is, if the Meat Wagon's going to be out of action this week again, I'll have to do a camp in the tent, whether it be at the homestead or at a campsite, and I'll take a fully charged power station with me. And I do like this Vitara power station. So yep, that's going to do it for today's portion of the Daily Meat. on a lazy Sunday. Had some good food today. Had some cake. Had a nice little pie. I had the other pie this afternoon. It's nice bit of bolsy pie. But yeah, that'll do it for today. And then hopefully I can give you an update tomorrow evening on what is actually the real problem with a diesel pump belt issue this time round. Oh. Yep, it's all fun and games. That's the joys of daily driving a 24-year-old VW T4 self-built camper van. Anyway, I'll catch you guys tomorrow. I also need to see what's going on with the Audi TT. And, yep, that'll be the start of another week. So, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next portion of the Daily Meat. Where's that sun? Look at that, campers. Oh, beautiful. Anyway, stay meaty.